TV program, and today we have two hunters who found a dead body of Chris.
And now we have some questions for you. The first, have you ever met a Chris before you found his body?
I met. He was very weak, and I think it's very strange because in this place wasn't any people.
Was he a strange man?
I think yes.
But I didn't see him before.
Did you surprised when you found him?
Oh, of course. And we were afraid.
It was scary.
Oh yeah,
I think he was a very crazy man.
yes, I think too. And what was your first reaction?
We called to police, and they arrived.
Have you had any problems with police?
No, we haven't, because this body was dead many months ago.
We want to know your opinion about him. What do you know?
We know that he
Arrived in this place. We read it here. His history.
Oh, and what do you think about it?
I think he was crazy because he
He
left his town.
and he was rich, and his father was businessman.
I saw in our TV programs that his autobiography, he was child of very rich businessman.
Yes.
If your father will be businessman, can you do this?
No.
Because it's ridiculous,
Yes.
I think. Oh, thank you very much, and goodbye.
Goodbye.